Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the language on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to change the language that we use on our device, we need to go to Settings. Then in the settings, we want to scroll down and find System and go there. Then we have the first option called Languages, go there, and then choose System Languages. Over here you can add a language, and then you can choose the language that you want to use. So let's say we can choose Spanish. And now we can rearrange in the order of preferred language. So if you want to use, let's say, the selected language as your main one, you want to drag it to the top by using these two lines on the right side and then confirm the change. So press change, and after that the language should be updated. There we go. If you want to remove any language from the list, you need to tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and then choose the remove option. Then you need to select which language you want to remove and then press the trash icon and then confirm. And there we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.